Good morning to all. I am Dr. G. Sudha, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, working at ADM College for Women, Nagapattinam. Today, I am going to present a topic on linear programming problem in OR. Operation research, linear programming problem. First, let us go for introduction to operations research. Operational research is the systematic and analytical approach to decision making and problem solving. Operational research is a branch of applied mathematics that uses techniques and statistics to arrive at optimal solution to solve complex problems. It is typically concerned with determining the maximum profit, sale, output, cross, yield, risk, cost, and time of some objective function. Next, definition of operational research. Operational research is the application of analytical methods designed to make the decision makers choose between various courses of action available to accomplish specified objectives. History of operational research. There is no clear history that marks the birth of operational research. It is generally accepted that the field originated in England during the World War II. Some say that Charles Babbage 1791 to 1871 is the father of operation research because his research into the cost of transportation and sorting of mail led to England University Penny Post in 1840. Next, operation research is useful for solving several fields: resource allocation problems, inventory control problems, maintenance and replacement problems, sequencing and scheduling problems, assignment of jobs to applicants to maximize total profit or minimize total cost, transportation problems, shortest route problems like traveling salesperson problems, marketing management problems, finance management problems, and production planning and control problems. Next, let us go for linear programming problem and introduction. Linear programming problem deal with determining optimum allocations of limited resources to meet given objectives. The resources may be in the form of men, raw materials, market demand, money, and machines, etc. The objective is usually maximizing profit, minimizing total cost, maximizing utility, etc. There are certain restrictions on the total amount of each resource available and on the quantity or quality of each product made. Next, definition of linear programming problem. A mathematical technique used to obtain an optimum solution in resource allocation problems such as production planning. When solving a problem using linear programming, the problem is pinned to a number of linear inequalities and then an attempt is made to maximize or minimize the inputs. Next, requirements. There must be well-defined objective function. There must be a constraint on the amount. There must be alternative course of action. The decision variable should be interrelated and non-negative. And the resource must be limited in supply. Next, the assumptions are proportionality, additivity, continuity, certainty, and finite choices. The applications of linear programming are business, industrial, military, economic, marketing, and distribution. Next, the properties of linear programming model. The following properties form the linear programming model. Relationship among decision variables must be linear in nature. A model must have an objective function. Resource constraints are essential, and a model must have a non-negativity constraint. Next, let us go for formulation of LPP, that is linear programming problem. Formulation of LPP is the representation of problem situation in a mathematical form. It involves well-defined decision variables with an objective function and set of constraints. Next, objective function. The objective of the problem is identified and converted into a suitable objective function. The objective function represents the aim or goal of the system. That is, decision variables which has to be determined from the problem. Generally, the objective in most cases will be either to maximize resources or profits or to minimize the cost or time. Next, let's go for constraints. When the availability of resources are in surplus, there will be no problem in making decisions. But in real life, organizations normally have scarce resources within which the job has to be performed in the most effective way. Therefore, problem situations are within confined limits in which the optimal solution to the problem must be found. Next, non-negativity constraint. Negative values of physical quantities are impossible, like producing negative number of chairs, tables, etc. So, it is necessary to include the element of non-negativity as a constraint. Next, the steps involved in the formulation of LPP. The steps involved in the formulation of LPP problem are as follows. Step 1. Identify the unknown decision variables to determine and assign symbols to them. Step 2. Identify all the constraints in the problem and express them as linear equations or inequalities of decision variables. Step 3. Identify the objective or aim and represent it also as a linear function of decision variables. And step 4. Express the complete formulation of linear programming problem as a general mathematical model. Now, the general form of mathematical formulation of LPP. If xj are the n decision variables of the problem, and if the problem is, the system is subject to m constraints, the general mathematical model can be written in the form optimize z is equal to f of x1, x2, etc. xn, subject to the constraints gi of x1, x2, etc. xn less than or equal to or is equal to or is greater than or equal to bi. These are called structural constraints, and x1, x2, x3, etc. xn greater than or equal to 0 are called the non-negativity restrictions or constraints. Thank you all.